Hello, my name's Lissy from BYD Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BYD Atto 360.48 kWh Comfort. Now this vehicle is an electric with an automatic transmission, it's ULEZ compliant and is finished in climbing grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the climbing grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to your boot space, you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As this car is an electric vehicle, it comes supplied with a 3-pin plug charging cable, as well as a standard wall box charging cable. As this vehicle is an electric car, it has a range of up to 260 miles. It can take up to 6 hours and 20 minutes on a standard 7kW charger and up to 35 minutes on a rapid charge. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the black vegan leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 1,608 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Android Auto and Apple Carplay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. And the screen also rotates between portrait and horizontal, so you can pick which one suits your needs more. Moving to your climate control, you can easily adjust temperature, airflow and airflow direction all throughout the screen. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats and a heated steering wheel for the driver, ideal for those colder days. As well as this vehicle also has a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. This has been a presentation on the BYD Atto 360.48 kWh Comfort that's now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.